What's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly Marty. I'm back with another daggone video for you guys. Alright, so today, y'all, I'm going to be getting my baby washed because, as y'all know, I've been doing a lot, and I've been driving. I drove all the way to Ohio, Columbus, Ohio, and I'm back in Maryland, man. So I gotta go get my baby a wash, man. She been through a lot, and she been a lot of rain. I don't know about y'all, but it rained like hell pretty much in the yesterday, but it's not supposed to rain in the next 3 days, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a wash because she needs it. So you see her, she's a little dirty, she's not shiny as she wants to be right now, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get this cold start, man, with this hot start, because it's hot as okay. Alright, so we gotta go get a wash. Oh, she's dead. She's been hot. Oh, it's so hot in here. Okay, turn it on. Let's turn this AC on ASAP. Let me turn this off. Whew, I can't breathe in them. So I got that. I need to put that away. I gotta do some errands. All right, Grizzly Squad. So if y'all follow me, man, y'all be following me through all my my video, my vlogs and stuff. So I have to go get the inspection. So right now I'm about to go get my car washed, and then I'm gonna go put the front plate on it. So that's a new mod that I just got in, and also I got some other things coming in, man. So I'm gonna show y'all too, and I'll probably keep that one on the low, man, because I don't want to spoil all the surprises that I got coming, man. So after this inspection, so I'm about to get this car really heavily modded. It's about to be one of the best 300s out, man. I'm telling y'all. So I see Texas, they doing it good with the 300s, but I'm gonna show Maryland and everybody how you really do it. So this car going slow. You just need to get up out my way, man. See, that's why I hate. Let me show y'all right. He ain't even trying to pass nobody. Now he's trying to go up. Like, get out the way. If you know you slow as heck, get out of the fast lane. I'm telling you, bro. Like move. And you see, I hate being by like big trucks like that. If you see it, I hate being by them. I just go ahead and pass them real quick because they be throwing up rocks and stuff like that, man. See, they doing too much. You need, see, if he doesn't move over, he don't respect the fast lane, man. Move over and respect the fast lane. Nope, he don't respect the fast lane. That's a sucker right there. If y'all ever see this dude, you a bum. Oh, it's a girl driving too, so she a sucker. And she driving a dumb car, bro. I don't even like those darts. Mopar no car, but that ain't no car of mine. Alright, y'all, I'll see y'all when I get at this car wash spot, man. So they about to wash my baby. I'm about to just wait for her. I'm about to go inside, see what she do. Yeah, but they about to hook my baby up, man. So we already ready. They got everything, man. So it's like full inside and out. They do it for $40. And you know you're gonna tip them because you want them to do good. So you're gonna tell them what to do. Like if it's any scratches or anything, but they gonna hook you up, though. But yeah, my baby's still shining, but she dirty. She definitely dirty. Especially all that stuff. I gotta get all that stuff out. But yeah, they about to hook it up. There you go. Hold on. Alright, y'all. So they done with my baby. I thought it wasn't recording at first, but I think it was. I don't know. But look at her, man. She looking good. Now I can get back. So now I got a surprise for y'all for that. But without further ado, I am gonna be putting on the front license plate. So that's gonna be changed. So I'm gonna be getting the front license plate. I'm probably gonna put it on the side on the right. So I think that'll look better than the left. Yeah. So I'm gonna put it on that side and kind of make it look all right. So y'all stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna get my drink, man. Thank you, boss. Thank you. I got it. Cool. All right, y'all. What's good, y'all? So I got Monty on the camera. She in the back. Say what's up, baby.
Hey, what's up?
All right, so today I got a new mod for my baby. Let me see if y'all can get it. If you saw that, you got it. Do it again. Okay. But yeah. So for me to pass the inspection, I have to put this on my car, and later on I can take it off. So it's something that you can do to your 300 or your Charger or your Challenger, your Mopar, whatever you got, you know. But I think this costs about $75, you know. I got it on eBay, of course. But let me go ahead and show y'all what it is. So this is the quick release. So what's the real name though? What's the real name that's on it? Oh yeah, Quigley's front license plate bracket. I think it's like Stow and Show. Somebody else said Stow and Show. I think Modern Red Hemi, he called it the Stow and Show, and that's what it is too. And but let me just show y'all what it is. It's just you put this underneath your car. You can take it off. Let me show y'all the things. And then if you don't want your license plate on it, use the little trigger right here, and it come out. But then it's really sturdy too, cause it don't come off. It stays stuck to that until you release it, and it comes off. So until you want to release it. So boom, and it clip back on. So I'm about to install it. Do a quick little install. So what do you need on it? Let me show y'all. So I'm gonna come up close. So it needs. All right, so I think this is for the license plate, the silver ones, and then these are the screws. I think I probably need like a 10 millimeter socket. So yeah, this is for my Chrysler 300, y'all. So I'm about to go ahead and install this, put this in my car so I can pass inspection. I don't know if I'm going tomorrow or the other day, but we're gonna figure it out. It might be this week, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, Grizzly car. So once you find out the spot that you wanted at, you just install it. All you gotta do is just screw on these screws with the socket wrench. So I'm gonna go ahead and like start up with my hand. Hopefully I get that right. So I'm about to check that out. So I think I had it right here. I'm gonna test this part out. Let me see. Monica don't want me to show my thing. So she won't be having it for too long if somebody checking it out. Is that too close on that side?
Yeah.
Okay. So like over right there, like kind of.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, kind of sort of in the middle, but not really in the middle. So let's go ahead. I want it to stick out a little bit. It's gonna be hard. So all right, so I found the hole. All right. That joint took a long time. If y'all don't understand, I didn't have a drill. I think it's best to have a drill if you can do this because you have to screw it into the plastic. But I've been doing it with my hand, and I kind of like poked the hole with this little skinny thing, which helped me out. So I did it manually. So I did it the hard way. The easy way is get a drill and just drill it in there. You know, that's my sound effects, okay? But yeah, it's on there, and I got it where I want it. I don't want it like directly in the middle, but I want it on the side. I think I should have put it over there a little more, but I kind of like it. But yeah, that's my thing, and I'm about to put it on, and then I'm gonna give y'all a few flybys of what it looked like. Yeah. So, Monty, that look good to you?
It's alright.
It look good. Hey, hater. All right, but we're gonna have something coming up for her car too. She's gonna be getting some lights because she needs them because she has a Hyundai.
It's my
and
third set.
Hyundais. I don't know what's wrong with those cars, man. I don't really work on them that much, but if you have a Hyundai, check out the next video. It should be the next video. Shop should be doing this tomorrow. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel because I'm coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day for you guys. All right, peace. Let's get ready to. What am I about to do? I'm about to do flybys, right?
I guess.
Yeah, so that's what y'all gonna see on the next scene. Peace.